Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to paint fabric design for beginners. So let's begin. First, I will trace the design on cloths with the help of carbon paper, as you can see it in the video. So now it's done. Design is here. Now I will paint it. Do it carefully. It's very simple. Here I am using white, yellow and red colors. You can make any designs which you want. You can do it as shown in the video. But I will suggest you to make your own designs. Hope this video will help you guys. It's very simple. You can do it easily. If you like my video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button also. Thank you so much for watching.